gonna be on TV, Mack.
Say hi to all your fans.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, fans.
Hi, fans.
NFO. NFO. NFO.
Guys, we have here on the map. I'm gonna shoot a doe in front of it so you can see how it's done. So let's get it. NFO.
NFO. NFO. NFO. Good job, Mack. Good job. High five. Yeah. All right. Let's go kill one. Just got up here. Set up. Mack, look. You excited? All right. When we get ready to kill a deer, I'm going to have you just stand up and look over the side, okay?
On this side?
Yeah. All right. All right, here we go. Wish us luck, baby. NFO, baby. NFO. 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 It's a good Mack. We're just sitting here waiting, freezing and waiting. I really want him in the food plot. He'll come back. Oh yeah, don't move. Don't move. She's looking right at us, Coop. Don't move. Mack, don't move, okay? Let me have these, okay? Wait. Sit them down, okay? Don't move. Okay. Stand up slowly, Mack. Okay? Stand up. See that deer right there? You see the deer, Mack? Do you want Bobber to kill it? If you got a broadside shot, watch it, Mack. Watch, Mack, watch. Got it.
There's another one over there.
That other one over there, you got her. She ain't going nowhere. Stay down. Did you see that, Mack? Did you see that? Yeah. And look, there's another. Look, there's one way over there too. They don't even know what happened. We have blowing so hard. Mack, did you see Bobber killed a deer? Is that good? Is that cool? Huh? Is that cool?
Dropped her, baby.
Dropped her, baby. Yeah. NFO. Oh, here comes this other one. Watch him. There you go. You're like, what's going on? Oh. Was that cool? Hang on, let's see what that other one run from. Wow, Bobber killed that deer. Did you see it? What happened? Yeah. You want to track that deer? No. Hey, Mack, do you want to go get your picture with that deer?
Yeah, Mack, let's go take a picture.
If there's a door deer out there.
Did you see it fall down?
Yeah.
When Bubber shot, he
Like,
fell
it
down.
was moving. It wasn't moving.
Yeah.
We got a deer.
We got a deer. Great job, Mack.
Fist bumps. You did a great job seeing that.
great. You did great, Mac. Was that great? Huh?
Yeah.
I know. That's great.
It's like triple trophy, baby.
You for real. You happy, boy?
There's our door.
Do you want to go over there to it, Mac?
Go get the deer. Let's go get the deer.
You want to go get the deer?
No, there's a door one over.
Yeah, there's another one over there, but that's okay.
No, we're gonna go get that deer, okay? Let's go get it.
You wanna
Don't
go
get my
get it?
chips.
All right, hang on. Careful, don't fall down. Hold my hand. Go up there and hold Bubba's hand.
I don't know where the deer is, so you gotta go find it, okay?
Let's go look for the deer. He likes walking in that water. Let him lead. Let him lead. Oh, we're looking. We're looking. Cooper, let him lead. You found it, Mac. Great job. That's great. Oh, you're great. You're great, Mac. Wow. Yeah. High five. You did it. You found a deer. You catched a deer. Is that the exit? Yeah, that was a good one. Good shot. No, you and Mac squat down there behind her.
Get over here, Mac.
Right there. Put your knee behind her. Yeah. There you go. All right, get by Bubber. Yeah, stand right there. All right, tell us what y'all did. Tell us what you did, Mac.
We killed a deer.
Yeah, you killed a deer. Bubber.
So we come out here and wanted to shoot a deer from Mack so he can see how it's done. Well, she stepped out, she looked at us, she's fixing to bust us, she turns around and bloom.
Yeah.
Wasted. That's 6.5 or they don't mess around.
No, it gets it done.
When you shoot at, you better be willing to mess it up. Because that's what's going to happen. I shot her right there. And she died right there.
Yeah.
So,
Mac, what you think?
Take your deer.
You love it? Huh? All right, well,
Where is this one?
yeah. What'd he do when he shot?
To a deer.
When he shot the deer, what'd the deer do?
Boom.
oh my gosh.
Yeah. Yeah. That's cool. Did she,
Who's this one?
you ready to go eat her? You want to go eat her?
No, who's this one?
You want to eat that one?
No, who's this one then?
That one's Bubber's. He shot it for Mac.
Yeah.
That make you happy? Huh? High five, Mac. Great job.
Don't get me chips.
All right.
Alright.
All right. NFO, 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 NFO.
Do it, Mac. Dropped it, baby. Say it.
Drop the baby.
Dropped it, baby. All right. Yep. First time in your new jacket.
I know we bought it like an hour ago.
Yeah. New jacket, new vest, new kill. That's how you do that.
We bought it like an hour ago and then really long.
Yep.
And I got my triple trophy.
Yep.
Bow, muzzleloader, and modern gun.
That's right.
Thing is
Once again,